have to charge mine.
Okay.
Why are you videotaping me?
Just because I can, man. Underway shit.
Underway my ass.
Underwear your
fucking
ass.
bullshit. It's only been fucking 3 days. Feels like it's fucking a week. Which makes me want to cry.
So what's your opinion, man, Mr. Beardy Beard?
Yeah, look at yourself.
I can't really see myself that good. Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, I am kind of grubby.
Excuse me, you gotta make some coffee.
What?
Gotta make some coffee.
Coffee. Marco's making coffee. Look at all that coffee just. Just hit a minute. Got like 20 more of these.
The cool part is if you brought your cord, I could put it on my computer and we just get rid of that space and you can just take more videos.
Sorry, I got quite a few gigs.
Mine's got quite a few gigs.
I think I have. This is a 64 gigabyte, dude.
My mom's a fucking saint!
Oh, that's right. Your mom, huh?
How am I supposed to make coffee without a coffee thinger?
Coffee what?
Thinger.
Coffee finger?
Is it still up there? No. Where'd it go? No.
No. Hello. Hello. Is it in the sanitizer?
Huh?
Is it in the sanitizer? Did you clean it?
Why would I do such a thing? I just leave everything dirty and say fuck it. No. Who's playing games with my emotions?
What was it doing up there?
Who the fuck knows?
Yeah, it's only been like shit, like 4 days, 3 days, 4 days.
And it's like
Man, I am grubby.
it's 4:40 in the morning.
Yeah, take a look at that. Yeah, 4:40 in the morning.
We've already been up today.
In the morning. In the morning. And yes, say what you just said. And we've already been up. No, we were up last night.
Oh,
Last night to this morning. We're the night guys. Coffee. Coffee. Charlie Murphy!
Make your own fucking coffee. Be right back. Gotta go separate plastic from regular dry. Ouch! Stop touching my nipple. Ow. Stop.
Is any Chiefs coming?
You done yet? Thank you. Hey, bitch! Take my trash. Thanks, FSA.
Yeah, everything's online. Go ahead.
That's how I do my work. Make all the bitches take my trash out.
That's right. Get 'em. See these eyes? Roll 'em. And so starts Marco's day. This is what he does every morning. He'll stand there, he'll watch coffee.
This is what they do on a surface ship. They just stand and wait for one thing to get done. Unlike us, we have to do multiple things.
All at
But right
once.
now, we're already done with everything, so we're waiting on coffee.
Yeah.
3 minutes to go. Don't show my shitty food platter.
Everybody has their own little yogurt, their own special cup. I just got your face in the whole frame. It's too early for this shit.
Now, come here for a second. Doesn't work. Fuck it, we'll use it. Hey babe, yeah, what's up? Yeah, I know it's been only a couple of days, but just wanted to let you know I'm thinking about you. Fuck me? No, fuck you. Bitch.
Good morning. Today we have eggs, hash browns, bacon, sausage.
Fuck you, I'm bad at spelling.
Sausage. This should be the other way around.
I couldn't make up my mind. I got pissed off.
French toast. Enjoy. Sausage.
I was never good at spelling.
Advertising. Marco. Your spelling sucks.
See, this is why I'm not smarter than a 5th grader. And that's why I would never play the game, because I suck at spelling.
Yeah.
But I'm really good at waiting on coffee to be brewed.
Yeah. And right now it's still brewing.
It takes like forever. A minute and 30 seconds.
There we were. Waiting for coffee.
Oh, we're going up.
I'm gonna go check my eggs. Everything's still good. We're good. I got nothing.
The boat's rocking.
It is.
You can't tell from that far away, Edwards.
No.
It says 358.2 and rising.
Yeah.
And speed's going pretty quick.
I don't know where the hell that is. Oh.
That's the kitty.
Oh yeah, huh?
We're only about 70 feet
What the
under.
hell is that red light? Oh, there's a red light from there. Reflecting onto here. I was like, what the hell is that?
Secret camera.
And so,
Yeah, the submarine's like cribs. I could show you everywhere. We have like a zillion TVs. We got even 2 TVs in here.
one TV, 2 TVs.
And out on Cruise Mess, we got a gigantic one.
It's a 55 inch. 55 inch. I don't know if I did that right.
Yeah. Reminded me of Waynesboro when they did the extreme close up.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's not like that splash that you're all used to.
Jestem Kanai. Looking at more, sir.
Let her.
Enjoy.